Hi, this is Dan from Jungle Repair, located in Tampa, Florida. We have another location in Pinellas County as well. Some of you might remember my boring but informative videos from years ago, mostly explaining and demonstrating flashing the Xbox 360 for backup games. I'm not very skilled in public speaking, nor will I spend the time producing slick videos. My purpose is to be informative to gamers like you who run into various hardware, sometimes software problems from time to time. This particular video is made to dispel the misinformation surrounding the Xbox One hard drive. The hard drive can be replaced. I do just that weekly here in my shop. No, you cannot just open the case and pop in a new hard drive. That will not work. The hard drive must be manipulated so that the system will accept the new hard drive. I purchased these three systems to test out different setups, so I can figured I would share some of what I found with you. The system's 500 gigabyte, the 1 terabyte, and the 2 terabyte, as well as the original factory hard drives. Interestingly, the 500 gigabyte and the 1 terabyte are made by Toshiba, and while the 2 terabyte system comes loaded with a Seagate hard drive. They have actually have Microsoft part numbers printed on the label, and I have the three systems set up behind me, so you'll be able to see me running these three systems with just one hard drive. So right now, the 2 terabyte system is on loaded up right there. And I do mail-in repairs for a couple issues. One of them being the Xbox One hard drive repair. You can find my contact information at junglerepair.com, and you can see that link in the description. I hope you enjoy. So, as you can see, moving the HDMI over. And there you are. And one more. Thank you for spending